Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.